Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials so you can act now. Have your passport scan, application reference number, and the payment receipt handy. Open the official Qatar visa tracking portal. Once done, enter the application number and passport surname to pull your record. Make sure to use a secure network. This speeds lookup and prevents errors. If you applied through an agent, get their reference code too. Doing these steps first avoids back and forth and gets you to the status details immediately. Once your initial lookup loads, you'll see specific status labels. Read them carefully because they tell you what's next. If it shows under review, that usually means documents are being verified. Approved means download is available. Rejected will give a reason. Use the portal's reference to view document requests and upload missing items immediately. If you see errors, clear browser cache or try another browser, then re-enter details exactly. Make sure to note timestamps so you can track progress over time. When the visa is approved, download the PDF and verify every field. Name spelling, passport number, and travel dates must match your passport. Print multiple copies and save a digital backup. If status remains unchanged for over 7 days, contact the portal help desk with your application number and payment proof. Persistence often resolves system holds. If your application is rejected, read the stated reason, correct the documents or information, and submit a new application or appeal. This direct fix is usually the fastest route to resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.